In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a TradingView indicator. If you're looking to customize your chart's indicators to better suit your trading strategy, or simply to improve your visual analysis, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through every step. To begin, you'll need to open the chart legend on your TradingView platform. This is a crucial step because it's where all your active indicators are listed. To access it, locate the arrow that's positioned right under the symbol name. Clicking on this arrow will reveal a drop-down list of your currently applied indicators. This list helps you manage which indicators are displayed and directly interact with them for further editing. Now, once the chart legend is open, find the specific indicator you'd like to adjust. Look to the right of the indicator's name and you'll see a small gear icon. This is the key to accessing the settings for your chosen indicator. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. As you click the gear icon, a settings window will appear. Here, you'll find a hub of options that allow you to tweak your indicator to perfection. Within this window, you'll first have access to inputs such as the length and source. For instance, adjusting the length might change the period used for calculations, affecting how your indicator interprets the data. Similarly, the source can be shifted to determine the data basis for these calculations, allowing you to cater the indicator to your unique setup. Beyond inputs, you also have control over the visual aspects. You can choose different colors, line styles, and even adjust the opacity. These visual tweaks aren't merely cosmetic, they can significantly enhance your chart's readability. If you prefer a particular color scheme or line thickness that aligns with your analysis, don't hesitate to make those changes. Visibility is key when it comes to spotting trading opportunities, so these settings are quite important to refine. Additionally, there's the pane option. You may wish to display the indicator on a separate pane or overlay it on the main chart. This choice largely depends on personal preference and what you find easier to interpret visually. Think about which layout will provide the most clarity for your trading decisions. Once you're satisfied with your edits, the final step is ensuring everything is saved. Direct your attention to the bottom of the settings window and hit the Apply button. This will implement the changes you've just made. If everything looks good and you're ready to confirm, click OK. This action will successfully save your adjustments and your indicator will be updated on the chart accordingly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on editing a TradingView indicator to better suit your needs. Remember, regularly customizing these settings can drastically improve your ability to analyze and react to market changes swiftly. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.